Hi viewers! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is a very beautiful day for me, so watch till end. I wake up early. In excitement, I start getting ready.
Wash your hands, wash your hands.
Then I take bath and eat some meal. Wow, tasty! Hey Henry, are you ready for cooking competition?
Yeah, I am ready, Olivia.
I think without wasting time we will start our competition.
Okay, sure.
Let's go! This cooking competition is between
Chef Olivia versus Chef Henry.
First we wash our hands. I choose cake to bake, and Henry choose pizza to eat. We start our competition. We also help each other. Cooking competition is going tough. We add some chocolate in cake and some cheese in pizza. We are doing effort. Finally, our pizza gets ready. It's smelling good. I also decorate my cake. Finally, our both dishes are ready to serve. Everyone gives nice reviews. My brother also make a good pizza, but everyone likes my cake more than pizza. And I won the competition. I hope you enjoy this competition. Like, share, comment, and subscribe my channel. And keep supporting me. Thanks for watching.